Hello everyone! It is so wonderful to see you all again. I hope you're having a fantastic day and feeling energized to dive back into the world of Python. How has your practice been going lately? I've been seeing some great progress from you all. Welcome back to our coding sanctuary. I've been looking forward to this chapter all week. Grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's make some meaningful progress together on our shared Python journey. Before we begin, please make sure you've thoroughly reviewed our previous chapters on formatting and concatenation. Consistency is the secret to great coding, and mastering those foundations will make today's lesson much easier to understand. Today, we explore escape characters. Sometimes you need to insert characters that are technically illegal in a string. A classic example is trying to put double quotes inside a string that's already surrounded by them. Notice how Python gets confused here? It thinks the string ends right at the second quote, which breaks your code. Let's see how we can fix this using the backslash. By adding a backslash before those inner quotes, we escape the normal rules. Now, our variable txt contains the entire sentence perfectly, including the quotes around Vikings. It's a clean and elegant solution. Double quotes are just one example. Python has a whole set of escape sequences to help you format your text with precision. Let's look at how to break text into new lines. The most common sequence is \n. This acts like the enter key on your keyboard, forcing any text that follows it onto a brand new line. Let's see it in action in our PyCharm editor. By using \n, we split the message. We are the so-called stays on top, Vikings moves to its own line, and the rest follows. This is vital for creating clean, readable formatting in your applications. Next is \t. This inserts a tab space. It's the pro way to align your text into neat columns without manually typing a dozen spaces. Let's look at our Vikings example again with this alignment. Notice the large, clean spaces added around the word Vikings. Using tabs ensures your data looks organized regardless of the screen it's viewed on. It's a small detail that makes a massive impact. There are others like carriage returns and backspaces, but just remember the core ones: quotes, new lines, and tabs. They will handle 90% of your Python text formatting needs as you grow as a developer. Now it's your turn. Open PyCharm on your computer. I want you to print a single string that says I am on one line and learning Python on the next. Think about the escape character we just learned. Ready? Go. Time is up. Here is the solution. By using \n inside our formatted text variable, we split the message across two lines instantly. Great work if you got it right. You're becoming a true Python pro. You've done an amazing job today mastering escape characters. This is a subtle but powerful part of writing clean professional code. I'm so proud of the progress you're making every single day. Don't forget to practice at home and review previous chapters in your free time. Consistency is your best friend when learning to code. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Our next lesson is strings methods. It's going to be very exciting. Join our community, subscribe to the channel, and share your progress in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Stay curious, and I will see you then. Goodbye, everyone.